Go ahead.
Good. Hi, my name is Sarah Bishop, and I'm here at Dr. Mario Garrida's down in Costa Rica. And I just want to let everybody know this is the first time I've eaten an apple in a long, long time. So here goes. Mm.
Good. Go ahead.
Should I start again? Okay. So here I am, Sarah Bishop, eating actual nuts for the first time in a long time. I'm at Dr. Mario Garrida's down in Escazú, Costa Rica, San Jose. And I've eaten a lot of peanut butter, but I have not been able to eat actual nuts in a long, long time. And that is the best feeling in the world. Thank you so much, you guys. Mm.